Hey, I got a very unusual radio for you this morning. It's a Nobility. It's a model 1051, 10 transistor, Super DX, medium wave only. This is Jeff's radio. You got it off of eBay for $23. It's about a 1962, 1963 vintage. And he said it works excellent. The face of it looks perfect. It's got a few chips on the back. It uses a 9-volt battery, and we're going to turn it on here. Let's see, that's off and that is on. And you want to go down to the bottom of the band. Probably have to turn it this way. A little touchy.
By the way, to all of our veterans listening, and of course, Memorial Day to honor all those that made the ultimate sacrifice.
Yep, definitely directional.
To wake up on a Saturday morning and do live radio together, and a special thank you to all the men and women who have
Now it's locked in.
serving, who have ever served.
A little hard to tune.
Together, we're Anna Jar and Levine, and our team is...
Gotta watch out for music. Yep, there's music. Gotta skip that. It's, I think that's like 8:30. Medium wave only. Little touch.
Free dry spray.
There we go.
24/7 lasting freshness, safe for myself. Fresh coconuts.
Okay, you called the right place. Go ahead.
Okay. They feel it in their energy.
Yeah, picking up a lot of stations. Even Spanish ones. Yep.
You see, this is the kind of thing we hear, and they just can't believe it. Here's
Plenty of
someone
volume.
writing to me. This is
Have to be united with one
Whoa,
another.
that's a strong
All
station.
else to be united.
Whoa, that's a strong station.
Jesus told us, "Behold, I make all things new." This
And
is
that's
the
it,
theme
near
I
the
have
top of the
chosen
band.
for your
A little hard to tune. There's another station in there somewhere. Yeah, music. Music. Okay, that's the top of the band. Not a nice little... Yeah, Nobility. I've never heard of that. Of all the radios that I have and Jeff has, I've never heard of Nobility. I don't know where this originates from. You know, who's the original manufacturer? And is Nobility like some company that gave away these radios for buying their products or something, or selling their products? If you know anything about this radio, this Nobility, let us know. Put a comment down. We'd appreciate it. I want to thank Jeff for loaning me these radios. Got some more to come up in this batch that he brought me. And thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.